Welcome to the Godavari Biorefineries Limited Investor Presentation for Q2 and H1 of FY26. In this video, we'll explore how Godavari Biorefineries is driving innovation, sustainability, and inclusive growth in the biorefinery sector. With a focus on green transitions, operational excellence, and strategic investments, the company is shaping a future where business success aligns with environmental responsibility. Let's dive into the highlights, performance metrics, and groundbreaking advancements that define Godavari's journey this year. Before we proceed, it's important to note the safe harbor statement. This presentation is for informational purposes only and does not constitute an offer or recommendation to purchase securities. The data shared is based on information considered reliable, but no guarantee is made regarding its accuracy or completeness. Forward-looking statements are subject to risks and uncertainties, and actual results may differ materially from those expressed or implied. Please refer to statutory documents for detailed information. Godavari Biorefineries Limited has made significant strides in business performance, research and development, and consumer branding. The company's consolidated revenue grew by 35% year-on-year, with notable improvements in EBITDA and a strong showing from the Javana brand. Their focus on bio-based chemicals, drug discovery, and ethanol production highlights a commitment to sustainable and innovative solutions. Let's look at the key achievements and growth drivers that have propelled the company forward this year. Godavari Biorefineries' growth is closely tied to the global and Indian transition toward green energy and chemistry. The company has increased capacity and utilization, diversified feedstock with grain and maize, and expanded specialty chemicals. These strategic moves have enhanced operational flexibility and supported India's ethanol blending initiative. Continuous expansion and debottlenecking initiatives are driving long-term growth, positioning Godavari as a leader in sustainable industrial transformation. Q2FY26, Godavari Biorefineries reported a total income of Rs. 434.3 crores, marking a 34.8% year-on-year increase. EBITDA margins improved due to the restoration of the ethanol blending program and operational efficiencies in specialty chemicals. The company also repaid Rs. 240 crore in term debt using IPO proceeds, leading to a significant reduction in finance costs. These financial improvements reflect the company's resilience and strategic financial management. The first half of FY26, total income reached Rs. 968.2 crores, up 14.3% year-on-year. The company's EBITDA improved and profit after tax turned positive at Rs. 2.1 crores. The reduction in finance costs thanks to debt repayment further strengthened the financial position. These results underscore Godavari's ability to adapt and grow even in a competitive and evolving market environment. Significant shift in revenue mix is evident, with bio-based chemicals and ethanol now accounting for 58% of Q2 FY26 revenue, up from 46% in the previous year. This trend continues in H1 FY26, where these segments contributed 62% of total revenue. The company's strategic focus on high-growth, sustainable segments is clearly paying off, reducing reliance on traditional sugar and cogeneration businesses. Bio-based chemicals segment saw robust growth, with Q2 FY26 revenue rising 23% year-on-year to Rs. 147.1 crores. The focus on specialty chemicals, which now make up a larger share of the portfolio, has driven higher margins and profitability. This strategic emphasis is expected to ensure sustainable growth and strengthen Godavari's position in the specialty chemicals market. Ethanol has emerged as a major growth driver, with Q2 FY26 revenue surging by 246% year-on-year to Rs. 101.2 crores. The resumption of B-heavy molasses-based ethanol production has contributed significantly. EBITDA for the segment also improved, reflecting operational efficiencies and market demand. This momentum is expected to continue as the company expands capacity and leverages India's ethanol blending initiatives. Sugar and cogeneration segment experienced modest growth in Q2 FY26, with revenue increasing by 5% year-on-year. However, the segment faced challenges including higher harvesting charges and competitive pressures. The company responded by providing for exceptional expenses to remain competitive. Despite these headwinds, branded sugar and cogeneration continue to contribute to the overall business mix. Review of the consolidated profit and loss statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement reveals a company focused on prudent financial management. Key highlights include improved gross profit, reduced finance costs, and positive cash flow from operations. The balance sheet remains strong, with significant assets in property, plant, and equipment, and a healthy equity base. These fundamentals provide a solid foundation for future growth. Innovation is at the heart of Godavari Biorefineries' strategy. The company has launched the world's first pilot plant to convert industrial CO2 emissions directly into dimethyl ether (DME) in collaboration with ICT Mumbai. This groundbreaking technology offers a sustainable, cost-effective path to greener industries and supports the global transition to renewable energy. The initiative not only addresses climate change but also creates value from waste, benefiting both the environment and the economy. Godavari Biorefineries is making remarkable progress in drug discovery, particularly for difficult-to-treat cancers like triple-negative breast cancer. The company's lead asset is a first-in-class oral small molecule inhibitor with successful completion of Phase I safety trials. With a strong pipeline, experienced team, and global intellectual property coverage, Godavari is poised to outlicense its assets for late-stage development and commercialization, marking a new frontier in healthcare innovation. Godavari's consumer brand stands out for its pure, chemical-free and sustainable food products. The brand has seen impressive growth with revenue rising from Rs. 28 crores in FY22 to Rs. 108 crores in FY25. Giovanna's reach has expanded to new states and thousands of outlets, offering a diverse range of healthy products. This success reflects the company's commitment to meeting evolving consumer preferences for clean and healthy foods. Godavari Biorefineries operates an integrated biorefinery across the value chain, encompassing sugar, ethanol, biochemicals, power, and more. This integrated approach allows for efficient resource utilization, product diversification, and value creation at every stage. With planned expansions in grain-based ethanol and specialty chemicals, the company is well positioned to capture emerging opportunities in the bioeconomy. Company's growth is guided by a highly experienced board and leadership team. Chairman and Managing Director Shri Samir Shantilal Samia, along with other distinguished directors, bring expertise in science, business, and industry leadership. Their collective vision and strategic direction have been instrumental in driving innovation, operational excellence, and sustainable growth at Godavari Biorefineries. Summary: Godavari Biorefineries Limited continues to innovate and grow, driven by a commitment to sustainability, operational excellence, and value creation. With strong financials, pioneering R&D, and a consumer-centric approach, the company is well positioned for future success. As the world transitions to greener solutions, Godavari stands at the forefront, creating a beautiful world through innovation and unity and growth.